Welcome to my channel Starseed Flower. In this video we will learn how to find the percentage of numbers. First we find the percentage of numbers as per general method. Suppose we have to find the 36% of 624. We generally use this form, and then after we find the divisibilities of numbers. Then after getting the simplest fractional form, we divide the numbers or multiply the numbers and finally get the answer. I tell you a simple and easy method to find this percentage more easily. It is easy to find the 10% of any number. Just put the decimal point after the unit digit, and this is the 10% of that number. Similarly, it is easy to find the 1% of any number. Just put the decimal point after the 10th digit, and that is our 1%. By using this, we find the percentage of numbers. Let's take an example of this. We have to find 36% of 624. We part the 36 into two different numbers. First we find the 30% of 624 and then 6% of 624. 10% is 62.4. We multiplied it with 3 and we get the 30%. 1% is 6.24. We multiplied it with 6 and we get the 6%. And then after we simply add the numbers. Just be careful while adding the numbers that where would be the decimal point, and we get the 36% of 624. Let's take another example to be more clear. We have to find the 67%. First we find the 60% and then we find the 7% of that number. We multiply the 10% into 6, we get the 60%, and the 1% is 9.48. We multiplied it with 7 and we get the 7%. And then add the numbers and we get the 67% of 948. If you want to find the 70% of that number and then subtract the 3%, this can be also done in that way. In this we have to find the 59% of 1250. First we find the 60% of 1250 and then subtract the 1% from it. 1% is 12.5 and 10% is 125. We multiply the 125 into 6 and this is the 60%, that is 750, and 1% is 12.5. We have to subtract the number 1% from 750. If you want to find first 50% and then 9%, this can be also done. While adding the numbers, put the 0 after the decimal point, and it is easy to add the numbers, and we get the 59% of 150, that is 737.5. Let's take some more example. In this we have to find the 106% of 750, and in this the 750 is the 100%, and we have to add the 6% of 750. 1% is 7.5. We multiply the 7.5 into 6 is 45. 10% is 75. In this we have to add the 6% and we get the answer, that is 795. In this example, we have to find the 116% of 1563, and you know that the 100% is 1563. 10% is 156.3. In this, first we add the 10% and then 6%. 1% is 15.63. We multiply the 15.63 into 6. In this way we get the 6%. Then after getting the numbers, we add the numbers and we get an answer, that is 1813.08. Just be careful while adding the numbers that where would be the decimal point.